Yes, in the Symbiosis Skill and Professional University at Pune, we offer sector-specific programs which are very relevant to Pune and to the state of Maharashtra. We have under engineering, we have a degree program in automobile engineering, in mechatronics engineering, in cyber security, again not CSIT generic program, but in cyber security, because you know we are all working online, so it's a very developing and important sector. So cyber security engineering program we have a program in data science, which again, as you know, is an upcoming field. We also have programs under management, a BBA program in retail management. We have a BBA program in logistics and supply chain. You know, because of COVID and because of online shopping during COVID pandemic, on logistics and supply chain has become a very important sector with a huge requirement of manpower. The third BBA program we have is in ports and terminals. You know, Maharashtra has so many wet ports and dry ports where there is a huge requirement of manpower. So we have a BBA in ports and terminals. Under beauty and wellness, we have a BSc in beauty and wellness and a BSc in nutrition and dietetics, and even master's program in both these sectors. Again, we are the only university to have a full-fledged degree program in beauty and wellness. We also have a 5-year architecture program called B.Arch Bachelor of Architecture, which is also available in our university. Yeah, I forgot to mention one other BBA program, which is digital media and marketing. Just like you are doing my interview online today, so that is again a very upcoming field. So we also offer a BBA in digital media and marketing. To answer your question again, as I mentioned before, a skill university must offer specialized sector-specific programs and not generic programs. What happens is many times students do a BBA in a generic way and they really don't know what are the different occupations they can get into. Yes, you have obtained a BBA degree, but what next? What am I good at? I become a jack of all trades and master of none. So we offer programs which are directly mapped to the industry requirements. So instead of offering a generic program where students take specialization subjects only in the final year, we offer a program where during their 3 years of BBA, the first year we offer all foundation level courses which will help them to become good management students. But at the same time, from year one itself, we start offering specialization courses till the final year. So unlike a generic BBA program where you only learn generic subjects, in our university we not only build a foundation in the first year, but from the first year itself to the final year we offer specialization subjects. So in our university also, when we offer these specialization subjects, not only do we cover the core subjects, but we also teach students how these core subjects apply in the logistics world, how these subjects apply in the retail world, how these subjects apply in ports and terminals. Because that is exactly the reason why so many graduates are not getting job. When they go to apply for a job, yes, they may know the general subject, but they just don't know how it applies to, say, banking industry versus a pharma industry or versus a retail industry. And because they don't know these things, a company has to retrain them for as long as 1 year. In many companies, the training period is 1 year, and companies cannot afford so much training period. Whereas in our university, we are making people ready to start working and being effective from day one.